This is my breeder pen. I have 2 does and a buck. The buck right there in the corner. My son calls him Bluey. That's Babs. She likes that bucket for some reason, so I had to put it in her pen. And there's my silver fox. My son calls her Foxy. This is the breeder pen for my meat rabbits. And over here I have a couple Peking ducks. I need to clean their water again. My little garden area, it's about done. And over here I have my chickens. And then over here I have my feed out pen. This is where I keep the ones that I'm gonna process. Got wire on the ground so they can't dig under it. It's overlapped. There's their little house. I got 5 of these little bunnies, but 3 of them are inside the house. But this is a pen I'm going to fatten them up in, get them ready for processing. Figured I'd give a shot at raising meat rabbits. They produce faster than chickens, better protein. I don't know if there's, yeah, there's one other one. I don't know where the others are. They must be up in the house. But I have a total of 5 in here. Happy little bunnies. Well, stay tuned for more videos. I would appreciate it if you'd like my video, share, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to do some more homestead videos shortly.